With the launch of a brand new PIR recycling plant in Belgium, Recticel is pioneering the move toward bringing circularity for PIR insulation to an industrial scale, helping our industry become future smart and combat climate change on a global scale. We took a simple idea to an industrial level, transforming large volumes of PIR waste into high-quality recycled polyol, a key raw material used for producing PIR foam. Powered by a continuous 5-step process, we're shaping the Next Life Polyol. Let's take a look around. First, we collect PIR dust and cutting scraps from our factories in Bourges, Stoke, and Wevelgem. The cutting scraps are crushed into fine particles and purified by removing the facing materials. The pure PIR is compressed into high-density briquettes, all transported to our Wevelgem facility. The briquettes are then reduced to small pieces again, making them ready for the chemical recycling process. Then comes the clever part. Inside our giant glycolysis reactor, the PIR waste undergoes depolymerization. Catalysts and controlled heat break the briquettes down into their chemical building blocks, creating recycled polyol. The recycled polyol is then filtered and cooled down before sending it to the tank room. The heat released during this stage is used to warm the next batch, ensuring no energy is wasted in the process. Finally, the high-quality recycled material is fed back into our major production lines, replacing 1/3 of virgin polyol across our full insulation portfolio. And after that, we begin the next life cycle of PIR, repeating the process again and again, 24/7, to provide a consistent supply to our product portfolio. Our PIR recycling plant has the capacity to recycle 4,000 tons of PIR waste per year, which can be converted into 6,000 tons of high-quality recycled polyol. The produced recycled polyol is expected to have a 30 to 50% lower carbon footprint. Discover engineering circularity at scale with Recticel.